Hey friends, welcome back to my channel. Where is Brittany? I'm Brittany and I'm coming to you from inside of my tiny little Mini Cooper. She doesn't really have a name. Okay, so today I'm just giving you guys a update on all the mess that has been going on this past couple of days. Go ahead and get like the bad news out first. Kind of like, I guess this is the bad news. So Domino's new engine actually has to be built and it won't be complete until like mid-April, which means Domino will not be back on the road until the end of April. So no more adventures in Domino until possibly like, you know, the first week in May, which sucks. Okay, so the next thing, guess who's paying for the new engine? Me? Yes, so I'm paying for the new engine. Walmart is not cooperating when it comes to satisfying me, the customer. So long story short, Walmart is only offering to replace Domino's engine with the used engine and no type of warranty. So let's say the engine gets replaced and 100 miles down the road, you know, something goes wrong with the engine. Well, that leaves me with the bill. And you know, that's just not how this is gonna play out. So Walmart basically offered me the amount to cover a used engine. And so my mechanic, I spoke with him, and basically I'm actually gonna go ahead and go through with the process of getting a new engine, and I'm going to pay the rest of the costs to cover, you know, the new engine. And here's where, you know, things get crazy. Sorry, I'm looking up at my battery life. Here's where things get crazy. Like, I've been trying to go through with this process and just have Walmart do right by me and provide a new engine, if not a new engine, a refurbished engine with warranty, something that, you know, I feel comfortable with driving. Like, Domino has had no issues, and if you guys look back at my video from November, I spent over $2,000 getting Domino's engine, you know, good enough and up to par, like the full tune-up and, you know, the oil change and all of that stuff for my, you know, cross-country trip that I just got back from. And, you know, what's crazy is I was willing to just like let all of the bad stuff that Walmart did that I haven't even told you guys, I was actually gonna let that stuff slide if Walmart was actually gonna do right and step up and do a little bit more. And it's not them even doing a little bit more and providing me with a new engine with warranty or a refurbished engine with warranty. Like, let me just go ahead and give you a preview of, let me just tell you guys something. So I did not know when I left Walmart after, you know, the work or whatever took place on the 15th of March. After I left Walmart, they gave me my discharge paperwork basically stating that nothing took place, like nothing happened. They weren't able to do anything. Everything on that paperwork says no action completed. Why did my mechanic find a Walmart oil filter with their sticker on it? Why did my mechanic find that under Domino's hood? So not only did you guys drain the oil from Domino without replacing the oil in Domino and let me go out on the expressway, let me drive off your property knowing that y'all you know, screwed up in that aspect, but y'all also lied to me, the customer, and falsified documents and actually gave those falsified documents to the customer, stating that no actions were taken on my vehicle. So y'all forged documents too, and y'all lied to me. And that's the thing, I wasn't even going to put this information out there, but y'all are trying to do me so wrong, and I just don't understand why. Like, my case manager told me that he looked at the footage and saw that the person who worked on my vehicle, he saw them drain the oil, and he saw that they never put oil back in. He said it almost looked like he drained all the oil out. And if you look at the video from the 15th, you can see that the puddle of oil that's under Domino is maybe a half a liter or half a quart. I think that's how they measure, you know, oil or whatever, half a quart. So he saw this, he saw all the oil being drained out. And then also my mechanic, you know, sent me and my case manager the picture of Walmart's oil filter in Domino, y'all. And it's documented by my mechanic that they don't even use those. My mechanic is a Mako certified mechanic, so they don't even use that stuff. Y'all stickers on it. So y'all lied to me, the customer. Y'all forged documents, and y'all let me leave your property, and y'all let me leave y'all property, and I could have been in a serious accident, caused my life to be in danger on the expressway. And y'all don't even want to satisfy and rectify the situation by providing me with a new motor or a refurbished motor with a warranty? Okay, so where we go from here, guys? Ooh, my battery's about to die. So I've already, you know, talked to my mechanic, and we worked something out. I'm getting Domino's oil. I'm getting Domino a new engine on my dime. I'm paying for this out of my own pocket to have Domino's new engine replaced. And next week, I'm gathering, like as of right now, I'm gathering all my documents together, friends, and I am putting on a press conference for you guys. I am going to lay everything out from the 15th of March to yesterday, when everything, like when things just went from "are you serious" to "I know you lying." So yes, I'm gonna show y'all everything. I'm gonna show y'all the picture of, you know, the oil pan, what my engine looked like, how it's freaking holes through it because of the lack of oil that was in the engine and caused it to blow up. I'm gonna show y'all the evidence of the documents that was falsified by Walmart. I'm gonna show y'all their oil filter that's inside of Domino. I'm gonna let y'all know that your girl was put on hold, you know, for over an hour from their line. Dude was dodging my phone calls and emails and all this stuff, but y'all just stay tuned. We are going to have a press conference over here at Where Is Brittany YouTube channel, and yeah, because this isn't fair. Like, Walmart is this huge corporation. Why are they treating people like this? Like, y'all already owned up. That's the thing. You've already taken ownership of the wrongdoing. And why are you trying to lowball me? Here's the thing, Walmart. I already paid out of my own pocket for this engine to get replaced. Like, I don't need you. That's the thing. I didn't need you to replace my engine. I wanted you to replace my engine because you did it. You're the one who messed up, and I wanted you to do right. I wanted you to use this opportunity to do right because you guys were wrong in this instant, and you owned up to being wrong, and now y'all want to do this to me. So yeah, we will be having a press conference next week. I believe it'll be out Friday. But you guys should go ahead and turn on your notifications so you're alerted when it goes live, because if I get it nice and accomplished and all edited and everything before Friday, I'm gonna just go ahead and release it. And here's what I need from you, my friends. I'm not asking any money from anybody, first off. And if you see any GoFundMes or anything pop up, that's not me, because you will hear it from my own mouth if I'm requesting money from anybody, and I'm not. So that's not the case, friends. What I need for you guys to do next week when I release this press conference is to give it a thumbs up. I need you guys to comment, and I need you to share it on any social media platform that you have. I just need Walmart to see that, hey, I'm here and I need my friends' help to lift and amplify my voice so it can be heard and be seen, because apparently Walmart's claim department does not care about how Walmart is perceived or looked at from their customers. So maybe the PR department at Walmart can help in this case. Maybe the PR department can step up and say, hey, this is not how we want the public to see us. This is not how we handle our customers. We do not treat our customers with rollback, customer satisfaction. No, we give them the top of the line, you know what I'm saying, customer service. So that is what is gonna happen next week, my friends. This press conference, I'm going to lay out all of the evidence and give y'all the whole rundown that, what's been going on since the 15th of March behind the scenes with me dealing with Walmart and their claims department. My friends, I love you and I thank you for the support. I know this video is not something that you would like, yay, it's such a great video. I know some people was like, I like you, but the video is sad, so I really don't want to give it a thumbs up. But those thumbs up in the comments, they help, shake up the algorithm and push my videos out to a wider audience. So go ahead and, if you like the video, don't thumbs up if you didn't like it, but if you liked the video, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing if you like. I have me a great set of friends already, and I wouldn't mind if I can add a little bit more to this beautiful circle of friends on YouTube. So I guess I should get to work on this press conference, and I will see y'all when I see y'all. Bye.